little dancer at
My name is Stephanie and I own Glamorous Dance and Tumble in Lincolnton, North Carolina. And we're going to be making videos to teach you how to stretch with your little dancer at home. First, I'm going to show you just the basics as if your child has no experience with any stretches, and then we'll work up to more advanced stretches. So first, I'm going to have Kate to sit on the mat,
okay.
in a butterfly. Put your feet together. She's going to put her hands on her ankles and take her elbows to push her knees down. And just make sure they're trying to work and push us down. And then she's going to lean over and put her nose down to her toes. She's going to hold that at least 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, next we'll have you have her legs straight forward in a pike and bring your arms all the way up and reach all the way over to your toes and hold that same stretch 10 to 20 seconds. Next, have your daughter or your dancer open her legs up into a split, just sitting with her legs in a straddle, and have her pull her arms out open to the side and stretch all the way over to one side, stretching out her side. See, she's getting a side stretch here and she's stretching her leg. And then bring it back up, Kate, and she's going to go the opposite way and hold. And then you can sit up. Always hold those stretches for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Arms all the way up and stretch all the way over to the center. Now we'll do this stretch twice. The first time I'm going to let Kate go ahead and roll her knees forward. As you can see, she's kind of letting her feet and her knees roll forward. And she'll hold that 10 to 20 seconds. And then on the second time, I'm going to go behind her and she's going to do the same thing, bring her arms up and stretch forward. And I'm going to have her flex her feet and I'm going to pull her feet backwards. She's going to get a better stretch. It'll also work her turnout with this one. And have her hold that 10 to 20 seconds as well.